Yo, Duckies, Andilippi here, back with another OBS tutorial, and I've just bashed this one together because people have been having issues installing Tau Reverb, so this is a quick one, how to get the incredible Reverb plugin installed into OBS now that it's been updated. So if you want your voice to sound a little bit like this, and it's echoey and like reverb and that, whether or not you're going to be singing or anything like that, then this is for you. So let's just jump into it, put your rock over the stone, let's go. Right, so to get this installed, we're just going to jump to the Tau Reverb website, which is just here. The link is in the description, so don't worry about anything like that. And rather than pressing this download version up here, which is the Windows version, the Mac, everything like that, we're going to be downloading this version just here, which is the older 1.3.1 version. We're going to press Windows to download that. I've already got it. Let's do the old Blue Peter. Here's one I made earlier. We've got the install here. We're just going to right click on that and extract it to where we are now. Press extract, and it's going to open the file automatically. The one that we're looking for is the installer VST 64 or the 32, depending on which version of Windows you're running. I'm running 64-bit. I mean, most things are now 64, so we're just going to double click on that, and we're going to press next. It's going to ask us to do the terms and conditions, yada yada yada, a license agreement. We're going to press next, and it's going to install it into C, program files, Steinberg, VST plugins. That's perfectly fine. Press next, press install. It'll take a couple of seconds, just because it is only a small program, so it will just take a couple of seconds. There we go. Took a little bit longer than I thought, probably because I've got everything open. Be right. So we press finish, and now we can jump directly into OBS. So this is OBS just here. I've got a microphone already set up that's muted. If I press unmute, you're gonna hear me twice. So test. So you kind of hear it doubling there, just so I can use it to kind of showcase with the effects on. So you didn't hear any reverb, so let's add that in there. So we're going to right click on the microphone, go to filters. I'm going to press the plus sign, and we're going to add VST2 plugin just here. And we can call this reverb, you call it whatever you like. I'm just going to go reverb, press OK. I just need to move it here because I'm using an audio monitor. That's how I'm getting you guys to hear what's going on. And the VS2 drop down, you should see Tau Reverb right there. So now when I press the open plugin interface, you'll see all the options just here. You've got a load of different settings that you can change manually if you know what all this kind of stuff means, like the dry and the wet, etc. Or you can just use some presets that are already there. If I press these, this will change the preset. So if I unmute my mic down here, you'll be able to hear there's only a slight bit of reverb. And I can change this just here with different ones like this. Crank the wet right up. Alright, that was scary, wasn't it? But you guys get the picture, okay? That is pretty much everything that there is to know about how Tau Reverb works. Just play around with it, you'll get the right effect for you. And yeah, just enjoy it, okay? It's super simple to get all installed. So make sure you do subscribe if I have helped you out, because only 20% of you are subscribed. What's that about? Have I not helped you out? Well, it's free. Just press the subscribe button. Helps me out a ton. And if you want to help me out with making these videos full-time, then consider joining Patreon or the channel memberships. All the deets are in the description. Okay, guys, put your rock in the stone, and I'll see you in the next one. I just want to say a huge thanks to all my patrons that help make this content full-time, make it free for you guys, and also a huge thanks to all my YouTube members. You guys are legends. Thank you so much for everything that you do for me and the community. Keep it up, guys.